Good, beautiful morning, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm going to do something I've never done on camera before, and that is harvest pictures for glue books. This is AARP magazine, and this is Brain and Life magazine. So these are still two printed magazines that I can afford, and let's just look through them and see what we're going to pick out. And hopefully I will stay on frame. If I don't move the magazines very much, it should work. So, I thought this was pretty, but it says advertisement on there. This is also pretty. I think, because I can cut it off right here, so I think I'll keep this one. I'll definitely, I could use this little goose head maybe at some point. And yeah, we'll just keep going through here and seeing. Here's Martha Stewart sitting down, so we might be able to make her sitting down on something funny. Same with her, Marcia Gay Harden. We might be able to make her be sitting on something funny. That's cute. So we'll take him. Oh, I think I'll take them too. And I have to get into the habit of looking for words also. I don't think I'll be able to get that without cutting off their heads, but I might decide to do that anyway. I don't know. Maybe these little potted plants, they'll be hard to fussy cut, but maybe. And actually maybe even, I don't know, I don't think I need that many food items. Food and a drink. I hope you're doing well. What are your plans? Oh, let's get Kelsey. Alright, it is a gorgeous day here, and I cannot wait to take the dog for a walk. So we'll be doing that soon. We were putting in our new door yesterday, but we didn't get it finished. Got it in enough to lock it, but maybe I'll take these two guys. I also do collect like cartoony pictures, so I think I'll have that one. And let's see, there's Melissa Gilbert turning 60. Oh my gosh. I think I'll cut her out too. Oh, and then we have this back here. That's kind of pretty, and I don't think it'll interfere too much with Melissa. Cold water plunge. I could cut them out too if you have like a really skinny. They're kind of cute dancing around. Maybe I could put them in there. And then we have Brooke Shields. She's kind of too big in this picture though. Here, we'll take this one of Brooke Shields, and she's sitting down again, and I can hopefully make her, oh, they're cute too. Oh, I really love this. Let's take that. Oh, and that's on the other side, so I think I do like this better, even though that is beautiful. These are all kind of neat too. I'll take those. And, oh, there's some more cartoony-ish ones on this side. So I'm definitely probably going to keep these, but I don't know. I don't think I like all the wordings on there. And it's about cancer, so I don't need that. These are all about diseases, although he's kind of funny. I think I will take him. Let's keep going. There's so many of them, but maybe I'll take this one because I like the cat in it. I don't love all the words on them though, the little speech bubbles. I think I'll skip these. They're too little small. This might be interesting. I don't know. Nah. Money bags. Definitely. I'll take money bags. Oh my goodness. Don't rip my money bags, please. I can even take this hand and the match separately. Going. Oh, definitely got to take the Statue of Liberty, since I do live in New York. He's kind of cool. I would probably just fussy cut him out. Okay. A lot of these little ones I could cut out as squares, but I'm not seeing anything that I'm just loving to do that with. Oh, interesting. Both of these. They're kind of interesting. Oh, gambling. Why not? Don't think I want... Oh, well, I gotta take them. How could I not? In case you didn't know, it's the Rolling Stones. I think I will take this one. And actually getting a lot more than I thought I would get. There's a good one of Brooke Shields too. A square, a rectangle. They are also cute, making their little heart sign. There's a kitty. Definitely take him. Jerry Seinfeld was on the other side. I kind of do like this, even though it is a pain receptor. I do think I'll collect that one. And now we'll get into Brain and Life. This one I get because, as you all know, my daughter had a brain tumor and a stroke and seizures and all that crap. And I can't say that it's actually giving me any truly important information, but I still get it and I read it. But I think, even though this is kind of thick, I'm going to cut them out. I'll fussy cut them out. So, last night my son asked if, I think I'll use him too, Ed Begley. Is that his name, Ed Begley? Yeah. He's a pretty famous actor of my era. Oh, that's cute. I've also just cut out Healthy Living before too. My son asked if I could babysit my grandson. I think I'm going to cut that out. And this purple Friday night. And I said, sure. They're going to bring him over here. And they want to, I don't know what they want to do, but I don't mind. I love babysitting, so my grandkids, so that's fine. I think I am going to take that. And then we have Ed Begley again. He's kind of big, but maybe if I fussy cut him, I could put him somehow in my big journal. Am I still on camera? And then my daughter just, oh, there he is again. I do like this, so I may end up cutting that out. Like fussy cutting that out. I'm not going to keep the brain. Unless I could cover up the words and have something else going on in the brain. That might work. My daughter called me this morning. This could be a background. And asked me if I could babysit Friday morning because she works full-time and her babysitter's daughter is having health issues and she needs, sitting pretty, she needs to take her to the doctor, so she can't babysit on Friday. So I said, well, I might be able to work it out if I spent the night. That's a good one. And I could even take out of the blue if I spent the night and I could get home in time, you know, to babysit my other grandson. And she said it would all work out, so, because she lives an hour away, and for me to get there that early would be pretty difficult. I think I'll skip her. So I felt like the only way I could do it was if I spent the night. And I think I'll cut out Healing Words. And that's it for these 2 books. So what do you have plans? What do you have plans? What do you have planned for your weekend? Anything exciting? Our daughter Bethany was here on Monday and she's coming back on Sunday, and we are, I think I may have mentioned this, we're making plans to start doing a few sleepovers, so that'll be fun. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me pick out pictures and chit-chat about life. If you have anything you want to say to me in the comments, please do, because I would love to hear about your life. I hope you're happy, healthy, well, and safe, and remember to be strong and courageous in our crazy world. And we will see you again next time. Bye-bye.